Creating a perfect backdrop is important for a party. It sets the party tone and creates a festival atmosphere. Here are some ideas for party backdrop decorations. A balloon garland is a trendy and affordable option. You can choose colors that match your party theme or create a rainbow effect. You can make a DIY balloon garland using balloons, string, and a balloon pump. Inflate the balloons to different sizes, tie them onto a string, and hang the garland on a wall or across a table. A flower wall backdrop is beautiful and elegant. You can use fresh or artificial flowers based on your budget and preference. Attach flower foam to a polywood board and cover it with flowers using hot glue or wire. You can use a mix of colors or stick to a single type for a cohesive look. A flower wall can be used at weddings, bridal showers, or as a photo booth backdrop. Tassel garlands are playful and colorful. You can make them using tissue paper, crepe paper, or fabrics. Cut strips of paper or fabrics, fold them in half, tie to string around the folded section, and trim the ends to create tassel. Hang the tassel garland on a wall or across two tables for a fun display. There are many party backdrop decoration ideas to choose from, whether you like a whimsical balloon garland, a romantic flower wall, or a playful tassel garland. There is a perfect backdrop idea for your party. With some creativity and DIY skills, you can create a stunning backdrop that will make your party memorable. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for regular update.